Reporting from our Houston, Texas headquarters at CPFD Software. We just got finished with our Introduction to Barracuda Virtual Reactor Training course, and we have one of the trainees. We're going to ask her a few questions. Tell us your name and where you work.
My name is Veronica Zimmerman. I work at Nova Chemicals in the Fluid Dynamics Research Group, so we do a lot of very specialized software modeling.
Wonderful. Can you tell us a little bit more about your company, about Nova?
Yeah, so we produce polyethylene with fluidized bed reactors, solution phase. We also have a lot of petrochemicals assets, and we model everything from combustion flows, multi-phase flows, and fluidized bed reactors.
Perfect. How long has Nova been using our Barracuda Virtual Reactor software?
So we've had a dedicated user for the last 7 years, and he's retiring, so I'm coming in to take over all that work. And this course was incredibly useful for getting me back up to speed.
Great, we're definitely happy to hear that. So now that you've graduated from the course and you've experienced the software, what would you say was your most favorite or most memorable experience from the course?
So I gave Sam Clark basically dimensions of one of our reactors, and he built an STL. And within a day I had a fluidized bed reactor simulation fully running with heat transfer, and that was incredibly helpful and actually quite impressive that I was able to do that without any input after the training.
Wow. Anything in particular that was impactful or meaningful?
Yeah, so there's always the tricky part of how to model kinetics for one of these polyethylene reactors, and I had been combing through some literature on my way to Houston, and I found a nice paper that I thought was really well laid out, and I had to play with a little bit with Sam about how to model termination, propagation, initiation, and create new particles when you have transfer steps with the monomers. So it was quite a complicated system, but again, it just took a few hours and we were able to adjust it to the model settings, and now I've got one running. So I'm really quite pleased you can take something so complicated and make it work in a short period of time.
Hey, that's great to hear. So would you say overall that you enjoyed the course?
It's just incredibly effective for me. So I did come with some experience modeling fluidized bed reactors with Euler systems and DEM simulations as well, but I was able to take all that information and translate it to a brand new software program. I feel very comfortable running the software. So yes, it was very helpful.
Great. Thanks, Veronica. We really appreciate you coming, and hopefully everyone watching can join us next time.